If you're trying to use finance tools that sync with both your business and personal accounts, you're probably facing a major headache. But don't worry, by the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how to solve this, step by step. Unlike other videos, I'm not here to push any affiliate links. I'm only here to give you value that you can use today. So if you've been wondering how to make your finances run smoother and more efficiently, stick with me. I'm going to cover some powerful strategies that can transform the way you handle your accounts. Now, let's talk about the number one reason most people struggle with syncing both business and personal accounts: lack of integration. You're probably juggling multiple tools, and it's exhausting. The problem is that many of the traditional tools out there don't offer seamless integration between your personal and business finances. You end up entering the same information multiple times, and, let's be honest, you don't have time for that. Here's the thing. You need a tool that doesn't just collect data, but syncs it automatically. So, what should you be looking for? A tool that's designed to track both types of accounts under one dashboard. This is crucial for making real-time decisions without jumping between apps or spreadsheets. If you're not already using something like QuickBooks or Xero, you might be wasting a ton of time. These tools automatically categorize your transactions, saving you hours every month, and they integrate with your bank accounts and credit cards, as well as payment processors like PayPal or Stripe. And don't worry, I'm not incentivized to push any of these tools. I'm just talking about what works. For the second point, let's dive into security. Because handling personal and business accounts together means handling sensitive data. When you're choosing a finance tool, make sure it uses bank-grade security features. That means multi-factor authentication and end-to-end encryption. Too many small business owners skip this step and end up with tools that aren't secure enough for personal and business use. You can't afford to take chances with your financial data. One breach, and you're looking at potential disaster. So, when you're choosing a finance tool, prioritize security just as much as functionality. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Sure, these tools sound great, but they can be expensive, right? Actually, that's a myth. Many tools, like Wave, are completely free and offer enough functionality for most small business owners. You might be able to start syncing both personal and business accounts without spending a dime. Even paid tools like QuickBooks and FreshBooks often offer scalable pricing, so you can upgrade as your business grows. If you're serious about managing both accounts in one place, you've got to have access to clear financial reports. This is key for tax time and budgeting. Look for finance tools that generate customizable reports that you can analyze quickly and share with your accountant. These reports will help you understand exactly where your money is going, whether it's for your personal spending or your business expenses, and let you make more informed decisions moving forward. Here's the part where I know you'll want to pay attention. There's one feature you should absolutely demand from any finance tool that you choose, and it's one that's often overlooked: automatic categorization. Think about it. When you're merging personal and business accounts, the system should be smart enough to differentiate between business and personal transactions without you having to manually sort through everything. This not only saves you time, but it also ensures that you're not accidentally reporting personal expenses as business ones, and vice versa. You'll want that peace of mind when tax season comes around. Finally, if you're running a business, tax filing can be a nightmare if you're not prepared. Look for tools that provide tax-ready reports. When your finances are synced properly, you can pull detailed tax reports at the end of the year, saving you hours of work during tax season. Trust me, you don't want to be scrambling to organize your finances when tax deadlines are approaching. Now, I know that you've probably been overwhelmed by the sheer number of finance tools out there. But the key takeaway here is simple. Choose a tool that integrates well with both your personal and business accounts, prioritizes security, and offers clear financial reporting. This will save you a lot of stress and help you grow your business without worrying about your financial systems falling apart. If you got value from this video and want more no-nonsense advice on managing your business and personal finances, consider subscribing. I'm not here to sell you anything. You can trust that the content you get from me has no hidden affiliate commissions. It's all about helping you build smarter, more efficient financial habits.